Last week, we covered one of the best agentic coding tools that's out there called CodeLLM from Abacus AI, which recently upgraded its composer agent to be even more autonomous and agentic. But today, we're back again with something totally new from Abacus AI's suite, and this is a game changer for non-coders. Allow me to introduce AppLLM, your gateway to vibe coding. So what is this concept of vibe coding? You've probably heard this term floating around on Twitter as well as YouTube, and that's because Andrej Karpathy, which is an ex-OpenAI founder, had tweeted about this concept recently. He described vibe coding as letting AI autonomously code out your entire project. No micromanaging, just setting the vibe and letting the AI do its thing. Now, the idea of AI building software isn't totally new, as you might know if you watch my videos, but Karpathy emphasized and made this concept of vibe coding mainstream. And that's why you're probably here right now watching this video, because you want to see it in action as well as learning how you can get started with it. Which is why today we're going to be showcasing AppLLM, which is an AI-powered app developer built for anyone. Whether you're a creative thinker, a small business owner, or just someone curious about building apps or websites, AppLLM is going to help you vibe code without writing a single line of code. For example, take a look at AppLLM in action. These are a couple of examples of different apps that have been fully generated with the help of AI being used within AppLLM. So this is the functionality that you get with a single prompt being sent in to AppLLM and the agents working alongside each other collaboratively to fully code out anything that you requested. And now, if you're someone who does code or you're looking to level up your development workflow, then you can check out CodeLLM, which is another tool a part of Abacus AI's powerful suite of tools. CodeLLM is also included in Abacus AI subscription, which only costs $10 a month, and you can completely transform the way you actually write code. With its agentic capabilities, as well as its built-in code editor with these different tools and assets, you can use it to autonomously 10x your developer productivity. We're talking about autocomplete on steroids. You have full stack apps being generated with single prompts, and an agent that can plan, write, and even debug your code. In fact, in my last video, which I highly recommend that you check out, I showcased how I used CodeLLM to build a full stack application with an auth system, as well as a financial management dashboard, and more without writing a single line of code by myself. So to be super clear, if you're a coder or technical user, you can go with CodeLLM. But say if you're a non-coder or just want to experiment and build apps fast, you can use AppLLM. And both of these tools are actually under the same subscription if you have Abacus AI. So you don't need to choose. You can obviously try it out whenever you would want. But in my opinion, these are the two ways for you to easily and efficiently vibe code. Oh, and also, if you have a subscription with Abacus AI, you can also access ChatLM, which is where you have this one AI assistant with access to top LLMs, web search, video, and image generation built in this one place. But now let's get started and showcase what you can do with AppLLM. Click on the link in the description below, and once you are here, click on Get Started. Once you sign up, before we get started, I just want to mention that you should definitely go ahead and subscribe to the World of AI newsletter. I'm constantly posting different newsletters on a weekly basis, so this is where you can easily get up-to-date knowledge about what is happening in the AI space. So definitely go ahead and subscribe, as this is completely for free. Now, what you want to do is simply click on this Try Now button, which will take you to this chatbot. And essentially, this is where you can chat with the AI to build anything you want, such as a landing page for WordPress. You can send in this prompt and you can see how fast the AI agent is in taking your prompt and starting to spin up and creating this project. You can actually visualize the generation live. So this is where you can see all the code being generated once it plans out your project, and then you can also preview it on the right hand side. So you can see right now it is working on creating a modern responsive landing page, and all the different files that are going to be generated will be shown over here. And there we go. We have our landing page for WordPress fully generated, and you can see how quick it was. It even generated the image for you, which is just insane. And you can't tell me this doesn't look amazing. And this way you can easily vibe code and generate anything you would like. So now we have it so that we have this functional app. We can continuously iterate on it even further. We can also preview all the code. So in this case, if you want, you can even download all the code that has been generated for each of the files. And that's essentially how you can easily start prototyping and building anything you would like. Now, what's also great is that you can share your app around. After you click deploy, you can actually go ahead and share this as a link so other people can actually view. But what's going to be coming soon is custom domain support for hosting. So this way you can easily host whatever has been generated right away within Abacus AI, which is just insane. Now, next up, I'm simply sending in 2 words. I'm telling it photo editor. And you can see right now it is creating this photo editing tool for me. And it's going to be able to showcase what it has generated within the preview tab within a few seconds. And what's also great is that this is something that will run terminal-based commands for you. So you can get a preview of what is being generated. And look at that, we have a photo editor that was generated. And this was by simply pasting in 2 words, photo editor. Now I'm going to open this up in another link and let's actually try this out. We have this picture of Andrej, and what we're going to do is change the brightness. You can see that you have a couple of things that you can do, like changing the contrast, the saturation. I'm going to make him hella saturated, and we can also change the blur. And what's also cool is that you can actually download the photo, which is awesome. So this was something that it was capable of generating within a couple of seconds, and that's the beauty of AppLLM. This is a great way for non-technical users to vibe code and generate anything you would like with a single prompt like you saw over here. And the best part is you can iterate this even further. For example, I can state add more features. I simply wrote 3 words, and it's going to work on enhancing the photo editor even further, and it's going to improve, add new features. And this is a great way for you to actually chat with the AI and to collaborate with it to maybe focus on certain things or certain errors that you might notice within your application. And there we go. It looks like AppLLM has finished making all the changes, and what we can do now is scroll all the way down and you can see multiple things that you can do. There's an adjust feature, there's actual filters now, which is just insane. You have text that you can add, so we can add a random text stating AGI, for example. We can then add this text and you're going to be able to visualize it at the top, which is cool. You can change the font, change the color. You can add stickers. And thanks to my app's new features, I've turned Andrej into an alien, which is just funny because we have a lot new features like changing the hue, the grayscale. You can flip the axis of the photo, you can rotate it, and essentially you have so many new features by simply typing in add more features to AppLLM, which was capable of transforming the first iteration into such a functional app with the second iteration. Now, I'm personally blown away. With just a single prompt, I was able to generate this beautiful financial tracker app. So if I click on get started, you can see it is a responsive application where you have your stock portfolio of all the different types of stocks that you have, as well as your transactions where you can manage and get a visualization of all your expenses. You can also even add your stock as well as adding a new transaction by filling this cell over here. Also guys, just an FYI, you can preview your app in different formats like a mobile format or a tablet format, so you can easily prototype for any sort of device. If you like this video and would love to support the channel, you can consider donating to my channel through the super thanks option below. Or you can consider joining our private Discord where you can access multiple subscriptions to different AI tools for free on a monthly basis, plus daily AI news and exclusive content, plus a lot more. And on top of that, with $10, you get access to CodeLLM as well as ChatLM. So you get a lot out of this, and I definitely recommend that you try this out because this is something that I believe is a steal, and it will essentially revolutionize the way you work with AI. But with that thought, guys, I hope you enjoyed today's video and got some sort of value out of it. I'll leave all these links in the description below so that you can easily get started. But with that thought, make sure you subscribe to the newsletter. Make sure you actually subscribe to our third channel that we just launched this week. Follow me on the Patreon. Make sure you follow me on Twitter. And lastly, make sure you get subscribed, turn on the notification bell, like this video, and please take a look at our previous videos because there is a lot of content that you'll truly benefit from. But with that thought, guys, have an amazing day, spread positivity, and I'll see you guys fairly shortly. Peace out, fellas.